Hi guys, in today's video of Big Brain Rocket, we will be seeing how to play Spaceflight Simulator. So this is basically a tutorial, and this is mobile. So you have to create your own world, and I'll name mine Test 1. Let's create a new world, and then you have to go down to Test 1, whatever you named yours, press play. Let's build a new rocket. So, you've so many different parts to choose from, as you guys see here. Plus, if you press this button at the top left corner with 3 lines, you can go to this, engines, aerodynamics, fairings, all of this. Structural, others, and then more parts to buy more parts if you like. Or you add extensions. Say if you want to make something simple. Say if we put an engine, some fuel, a separator, put a heat shield on top, the rocket, just like that. And launch it. Something like this will come out. You have to press go for the engine, put this up to 100% or how much you like. I could do 22. Let's see how high we'll go. So let me just get you guys use this to speed yourself up. Now we'll go to the top right corner. Use this to turn. See the 2 arrows you use to turn. And then if you click them out, you can see where you're going. As you see, that's me. That's how high I'll go, it's looking like. And you can use that, see, as you see, we're out of liquid fuel. And you see where the color changes? That's when you've got out of Earth's atmosphere into space. And as you see, you have Earth's orbit, moon's orbit, Earth's rotation, you have the sun, all different planets. Okay, let's zoom back in. Close, and I'm gonna speed this up a little bit. So now we're coming back in. So I recommend separating, and I actually have my heat shield here. And if I want, I can just destroy that. Why not? And then I'll slowly start coming in. I'm gonna come in at a pretty quick rate. And as you see, heat starts building up. That's why you really want a heat shield. But that also helps slow you down too. So my heat shield's helping protect me. I'm coming down. And as you guys see, I came all the way down. So see, I didn't burn up in the atmosphere, I came down. See how we have a couple of burn marks? That's okay. And once I get to below 2,500 meters, as you guys see in the top right corner, it says, and it says your velocity, I'm slowing down. Once you get below 2,500 meters, I'll do at 2,000 meters. So now 2,000 meters, you open up your parachute half deployed. And I have to wait till you get to 500 meters or less to fully deploy your parachute. And remember, don't click too many times. If you click 1 time, it's fully deployed. If you click twice, and it'll cut the parachute and start to speed up. As you guys see, I'm coming down to 23-ish meters per second, getting less now. Depends on how fast the slow down. Even if I turn more, it'll help too. See, I'm slowing down a little faster. That's the tip and trick. See, and look at that. I'm not even coming down right from where I took off from. Yeah, I'm gonna land right where we took off from, guys. That's just amazing. If you don't hit anything, you'll take off right from where you took off from. So, and now I can open my parachute fully. And it said parachute fully deployed. And now you slowly come down. Just like that. And then if you go back to the map, we're now right here. Slowly come down. And for people who are lazy like me, you can speed that up. It comes down quicker. There and stop it. There you go. You just sent a rocket to space and back in Spaceflight Simulator. Hit recover to show all your achievements, and now you're done. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that subscribe button below, leave a like and comment.